Olympic sprint champion, Elaine Thompson, has finally quit the 2018 season after being plagued with an Achilles injury for the last season and a half. Now, some of us have been arguing that if Elaine is injured, she should tank the season and rest and treat the injury. This season is an off season with no major championships. Next season, it will be the World Championships, and the year after that will be the Olympic Games, and the next year, the World Championships again, back to back to back. And these are big events where her performances could decide the magnitude of her endorsement deals going forward. Not to mention the bonuses to be earned with big performances at these big events. Well, the story is that Elaine is the cash cow for the MVP club, and she is the reigning double Olympic champion, and she has to cash in now because she don't know what will happen in the future and blah blah blah. Me not buy that argument. I don't even want it free. Elaine Thompson is not 36 going on 37. At 25 she has time to rest, recover and return, and by running so long on this injury it must have been risking further and longer term injury, and that was a dangerous and foolhardy thing to do. From what I have been seeing of Elaine Thompson over the last 2 seasons, outside of being beaten by every Jill and Jane, she was potentially mashing up herself. So thank God good sense has finally prevailed. Hope it's not too little too late, and that with some rest and treatment, come next season, Elaine Thompson will return to being Elaine Thompson, and once and for all, stop running like Elaine Grumps.